Okay, guys, it's me, Misha. Let's continue you guys in TradingView. Uh, but I also feel like everyone is celebrating today. But I'm here. Uh, I'm working. So we stopped on um, Johnson and Johnson, JP Morgan. That's the cases trade. We'll keep it there. Continue to grind. I'll wait it to come to this level. I'm not trading in continuation of the trend. I don't want to get stuck in a stock that that's up high. Never mind this level anymore. Still bearish though. Still very much bearish. Yeah, this entire volume, that's where we can also, for those had a lot of talks about indicators and other volume profiles. Why would you need it? Because you have this. Yeah, I can say the volume is here. It's right here. So yeah, it's in our face. It's right in our face. Oh, it bounced once from here. Yeah. Um, you can, ever since it broke this level in 0.5, you can start looking at it like this. No, I don't want to. And the stock is kind of going back and forth. No, that's not my jam. Continue to grind higher. Oh, the volume though. 45 mils, 46, 46. This one is still bigger, but yeah, the volume came in. Some volume comes in here. Yeah. Ooh, Lowe's. Sound like we've been talking about Lowe's. Was it Jay? Yeah, because he works in construction. I think he's selling construction materials. Lowe's look bearish. Las Vegas Sands. What is it? This guy grinds higher. You start seeing, oh, MasterCard, of course. Start seeing some corrections. However, the overall, see what a beautiful, in some cultures they call it hammer. That was a 2-bar spring. Open, close. Technically, what was the bullish bar by 17 ticks? Boom. This volume is no bueno. This volume is I wanted to correct. It did correct though. Sometimes you need to understand that the time frame. It's just a grouping of the quotations. However, not so much for United States market because daily mismatch the hourly. So, but daily matches the monthly. Okay, so something interesting happened here. I'm just not sure what exactly and why. But yeah, this stock just freaked out. And it's a gap with retest. We're not sure towards why it did this. Um, if you're not gonna trade it here anyways, it's fair to say that it probably will. Mm, test. Yeah, it freaked out big time. Merck and Company. They're big, I think. Merck and Company. Like I think I know this brand. Uh, I know for sure Microsoft. They do frying pans or something like that. Uh, I know American market. Uh, then there's no one there to laugh with me. But yeah, um, Jay Casey, where are you? I miss you guys. Yeah, Microsoft. Ooh, this guy corrects. He's like, I want to correct. Do you mind a little correction? I don't. And I don't play short, so the faster you go, to good to buy the Mitsubishi. We had something on Mitsubishi. We tried to do something with Mitsubishi recently. I remember Mitsubishi. No, that was Toyota. No mind. The Mitsubishi, like anyone like drives Mitsubishi anymore? Did they switch over to like some industrial equipment, or what happened to them? I think back home Mitsubishi is still a thing. Not anymore though. Boy, I don't want to get political. But yeah, what Mitsubishi sounds like a good dream from the past. Gosh, it's so bad. Anyhow, there's nothing for me here. There's nothing for you, Misha, so pass on. Nasdaq. Someone was trying to play Nasdaq recently. Jay, was it you? You're not like here today, I know, but I think it was you. Yeah, this is Casey. Ooh, Casey goes. Casey goes. This is just, I mean, if this hits his take price, let me move. Like, let me try the different, like Casey trades, and let me move it to the left. But yeah, with this volume, I mean, um, yeah, it just goes. Just goes. Yeah, I'll be waiting for my correction. You guys know me already. Okay, this is broken now officially. Volume is here, but not really. Like it's already tested. No, I don't know what to say here, except for I needed to go to this 0.5. And video. Woo! Looks familiar. Sign of exhaustion, aka don't play it long. Does Nvidia pay dividend? Yeah, how come I was missing on Nvidia? Because it's not in the levels that. Woo! Oh gosh. Yeah, if it comes here, oh guys, Nvidia comes here, up thrust this level, stay away. Kid you not. Kid you not, guys. It up thrust this level with a good volume. Stay away. Stay away at least till like here, but realistically, yeah. Yeah, realistically, technically there's a level, but look on the daily. That's why, like, once again, you don't need like no volume profiles if you really know how to use inferior superior time frame coordination. Look, yeah, technically it's a level, but on this month the entire level is here. So if it goes down here, so like the only thing you can play is like up to like here tops. This is a volume level. Let me just even put it on. I don't need to put it, but yeah, like any trade taken from here, it can still respect for like a noise trade, but nothing quite and dramatic. Oh, damn, damn, we've missed it. Where was I yesterday? No, on Friday. I was somewhere. I was trading, but yeah, I didn't have many. And also, like realistically, that's more like this. Let's keep it here. We don't need to extend it though. Damn. Um, volume is weird though. Damn, it's a great volume. Oh, never mind. We need a test anyways. But an hourly we could have. Ooh, I love this volume. You already know I do, right? You know my habits. Novartis AG. Is AG something Scandinavian? Is it a Scandinavian company? AG. I think it's like Scandinavian. Yeah, I mean, it's a good watch for all I care. Because this volume is definitely indicative. It's not in the right place though, but it happens. Like it's an exhaustion volume. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Damn. Damn, that was an entry. Yes, transitory extreme. We didn't need to wait for um closed spring that happened here. So that was the level. That was the level. It came here. This volume. Boom. Test. Retest. Ah. It makes me want to cry. Can I cry? Like, I know Russian boys don't cry, but like just a little, like one memory tear on my stubble. Like seeing this makes me want to cry. It was so good. It was so good. Mm, yum. Yum that we all missed. Not me personally. I don't know about you guys. Maybe you took this trade, but uh, this volume is not great, but this is a good volume. It's not biggest volume, but who cares? Yeah, so this is the wave. Uh, damn. Where is this volume? Yeah, there is volume in our face, but I mean, it's up there. For a quickie, for a quick. You can even reason this like last hour of the dividend. Even on the you could have taken it from here, but when it didn't jump on the next day, ugh, I missed the jam right here. 2 bar spring test resumption of the peon. Just a quickie. To yeah, just like this. Is it the 27th? No, 25th. Where's this volume on 25th? There's no volume on 25th, as always, right? Yeah, it was here anyways. I mean, all good. Let's put it on the watch, but yeah, this is gone. And was there any potential to it's counter trend, so but it's in damn you could have gifted. It's a bar level. So maybe not. Maybe just I don't know. Maybe just quick to R or like third and 2R, like 1/3 here and 1/3 to the half, something like that. Let's put it on the watch. It's worth watching. It's still a good place to pick up, but yeah, Let's see if it gave us hourly. In the same way, it was a good level for minutes. On the minutes, broke above. Yeah, there is no corrected to 0.5. Yeah, this was no good. This. Well, technically, yeah, that was no, that no, like I mean, in 5 minutes is jerky. But anyhow, it's gone. The Tuar is gone. At least Tuar. This is good to correct to 0.5 and buy it from there. I'm not sure why we even like looking at it. Or because the contextual direction, incoming directionality, and contextual direction of the model right now. Well, contextual direction is not necessarily short, and it's kind of 0.5 in this volume. Yeah, I don't know. I can't read it. Oracle. We'll let it decide what it wants to do with its life because it's just jerky for now. This is Casey, our brother Casey, now looking good. Oops, sorry, brother Casey. We'll move you to the left. So I'll be moving. What is this? Okay. So now we are good, or like he is good rather. It broke. Biggest volume is here. Hodges. Hodges are elevators. Are they also from Scandinavia or they're American? Are they elevators or lifts? That's the question. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Remember this joke when the British man meets an American guy by the lift? Which American guy calls elevator? And British guy says, "I'm sorry, but English was invented in Britain, so it's a lift." To which American guy says, "Yeah, but the elevator was invented in America, so it's elevator." I don't know if it's true, but that's the joke. Yeah, now this looks like this rate looks way better. Not mine, but Casey's rate looks way better. Yeah, I'll be waiting for the price to come to this level, to the volume level. Oxy, Occidental Petroleum. This is a vivid consolidation. So there is a campaign going on. Someone is building a cause. Just within my system of knowledge, I don't know. I see strengths, of course, and I see weakness. But within my system of knowledge, oof, I don't know whether it's a accumulation or distribution. If you guys know, let me know, okay? And you'll be my friend. If you're a good person, of course, that's important. Yeah, it's in this channel. It's in a one to like it's not a balance, but it does look like a balance. It's good to buy from here, but for now, let us decide what it wants to do. See, respected this level even after this wide range. Didn't respect the test level, didn't respect no nothing, but here it reacts. Here it reacts. Yeah. See, like volume is not great. I don't think I would be maybe for like a quick and you need a test, and here's your test. Ooh, that was like your quick to R. Nothing dramatic because the volume is not here. So, but here was the quick to R, which I wouldn't take anyways because I don't trade short on American market, uh, just as of yet. Boom, quick to R, and then it just like fell down, but it doesn't matter anymore. Well, I mean, it's a good level, and on counter trend levels, on the trend levels, you don't expect volume to be great, but I mean, obviously, it doesn't show us. If there was like a bigger volume, maybe it would make more sense. But yeah, clean, good, short to R. And you guys know why they call it short, right? 17, 19, 17, no, 1791, 17. So technically by tick, it updated the level. Renewed, not updated. Gosh. Can you speak clear English, Misha? No, I can't. Because I'm a foreigner. Um, 1791, 1791. I'm trying though. I'm trying. I'm trying to be as clear and distinctive as I only can be. So yeah, that's what happened here. It doesn't matter. Same dealio. Yeah. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be able to identify. Uh, and this guy must have been, could have been it. It can be it for the correction actually, because this also looks like it's a gap with retest that's trying to retest right now. So yeah. I wouldn't be trading it here. Um, oh, and actually it's counter trend technically, because incoming directionality is long. Isn't it crazy? Yeah. So you would want to see volume here, and there is none. But volume comes in here. Mm. Yeah, weird stock. What's that? What's that? No. I have too many drawings that don't belong here. Looks good. I think it was like it's either cases or J's setups. Looking good. Continue to grind higher. Volume level below. This is now officially broken. Procter and Gamble. What's the Gamble part of Procter? I don't know. Fill me in, someone. I'm missing some cultural references. Uh, being an immigrant, I don't know what the Gamble in Procter is about. I also remember how they arrived on the Russian market in the 90s. Uh, that was big. Everyone was so excited. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's now a spring. It actually was a part of. No, that wasn't a part of the spring. So yeah, it's good. Comes here, can buy. Progressive. I'm not with progressive, but Casey tries to be, and now boom. Now yeah, I would. Casey, if you're gonna watch it, what's going on in here? If you're gonna watch it in a recording, bro, pay attention. Be cautious of this volume. This volume right here. Yeah. Technically, it went like a little bit above, but it does it like oftentimes. Oftentimes, it does it like this. So, yeah. No volume though, but um, Maybe it can bounce from here and go higher. Not saying it won't, I'm just saying on the monthly first signs of correction exactly at the pivot point once the pivot point is reached by 0.5. You know what I mean? I think that's case again. Let's remove it from months. Don't want to see it in months. Yeah, continues to go. Looks good for a short, except for this volume. Don't know what happened here. It's actually Pioneer Natural Resources. 15th of March. It can be that all the stocks like just jerked on 15th of March and gave like ridiculous volume. It just doesn't work that way. Could be the case it wasn't the break. 2023 close. Hold on, close 1766, low 1820. It did close below. However, it broke this like it never existed. So it also can be like it just doesn't matter now. Let's keep it as it is, okay? Because it can be this situation like expanding balance, was it? Like 1, 2, yeah. It was balanced by here, so it would be like expanding, but Q's looking good. Don't like the spread narrowing, but still looking good. And let's put a historical volume here because it is, right? That is a historical volume. Rio technically broke this level, but practically not really. Investco, never mind this level. So this is a test now. Equal weight ETF. Does equal weight stand for all the shares of the S&P 500 get an equal weight? It's kind of like weighted by what price? Yeah, I don't understand it. I don't know it. I never looked into it. So yeah, comes down there out buy it from here. RTX. It broke up here. Why didn't I put this guy here? Just to watch it go to the 0.5. What's the biggest volume here? The biggest volume was here. Already tested. Was there a bigger volume? There is. Is it a bigger volume? There's like multiple volumes. Let's see it. That was 66, 166, 162. Yeah. Oh no. This was way bigger volume. So we have like 2 sign of strength bars here, really? This being 1. This being 2. And this being 3. All 3 were the levels to watch. And I show you guys how it all happened. So I should have really looked at this wave. Yeah, I should have just left it as a historical volumes and looked at this as an independent approach. But regardless, that was our main sign of strengths. And then there was this, which did work. Look at this. PPO. And there was another one that's been tested and broken, right? This one been springed here. It held for the first time. and it held for the second, but it doesn't matter when it goes here. So, oh, this is kind of like makes me dizzy. But yeah, is this spring on daily? Once we came here, down, 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 and then up, 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 pyong, pyong, and that was our entry. In point five was in point five. Like it's a little bit like high, but I would have taken it. Like it's a little bit above point five, and volume. Yeah, I would have taken it. I would have taken it, and maybe there was something on hourly. I would have taken it. If not, then from hourly. But no, it's gone. Good candidate for short. Volume is not crazy. PBO. Yeah, it broke above for now, but still. For next month, if not from here, then from here. Not a bad candidate for short. Schwab's. I didn't take a look at my TD Ameritrade account ever since they moved me to Schwab's yet. So I don't know. You guys, if you know, let me know. So I never used TD Ameritrade that much actively. You see, it worked. Why did I oh, I discontinued because it closed like bearish, but it held it. I'll need to take a look at the Schwab's, how good they are. Why didn't I put this level here? Oh, that's probably drunk or something. Rolling on Muscle Mule or something like that. The usual, Mishka, the usual. It did spring here beautifully. Oh no. That all became irrelevant. What was it? Relevant here is like this beautiful correction to 0.5. September 22, yeah. We all want to go back to September 22 and buy everything in the world. However, I was very, very scared. In September 22, not so much anymore, but what did I start? Yeah, still was. Very confused about what was going on with my investment portfolio. Yep. Yeah, this guy just goes. He changed direction out here. And yeah, now it's hanging out here. What was the biggest? This was the biggest volume. It even springed this. This was the biggest volume. Was it? No. This was the biggest volume of this. Yeah. Yeah, it even did. Wait. All right. It called the spring, went up, gave us a new T1. I mean, up thrust at this T1. Then like broke it. And yeah, now it's here. Now it's here. And this 0.5 doesn't matter anymore, but we'll just leave it here. Dudoon. I'm not a fan of this volume. On semiconductors. Is it Vanguard? Van Eck. I think it's Vanguard semiconductor. I don't have it. I have another Vanguards. Yeah, I think that is alarming with the tail. Ooh, we just saw like something very, very similar. We just saw it. You see, like markets are starting. Wait, no. Yeah. So if it comes here, up thrust this guy, oof, you guys stay away. If it up thrust this volume, then I'm not jealous about people who are long in here at all. Even though I'm jealous creature, I am. I know my traits, but I wouldn't be jealous about these guys at all. Same deal, semiconductor again. What? It's iShares. That was Vanguard. Now iShares. Semiconductors. Tudun. Same pictures. They want to correct. They do want to correct. Not playing. Oh wait, it's kind of close to. I need to put them on the map for daily watches. Yeah, but you gotta be like, no, like realistically, I'm not gonna even trade them from there. Like, if you get stuck, if I get stuck with my virtual stops, if I get stuck there, no, it's a madness. Spider, is it our spy? Yes, it is our spy. Spider is feeling good though. It reached its like pivot rotary point, rotation point. It's exhausted its potentiality. What's here? I'm seeing a setup. It wasn't me. Here, probably Casey guy. But yeah, yeah. Doo doo. This ranch was ridiculous though. I didn't know why I kept it. I should have. Now it doesn't matter because it broke like everything, so it just grinds higher. But realistically, it came here, corrected to 0.5. Realistically. And then went higher, formed this balance here, then dropped into 0.5. Made a spring test, killed this level. There was like entry points on hourly or 5 minutes, I'm sure about it. I'm sure. When you trade American stocks from New York Stock Exchange, you got to say sure, right? I think, or at least I do. I like the volume distribution, and this guy looks healthy. Comes here, I would buy it. Okay. To do 0.5. AT&T. AK Vodafone. Not that quiet, but you know what I mean. It's not the biggest volume. Yeah, no, it doesn't look that sexy. Still can look for something like around here. You should. Yeah. Well, I see strength and weakness for all I care. That's for sure. Volume is coming in. Not on the weakness, shouldn't comment on the weakness, but you know what I mean. I can start playing it here because, I mean, can it go any lower? It can. Can it go like much lower? It can. I mean, it's AT&T. It's not going anywhere, or at least so I thought. Before it just like went somewhere. So yeah, screw that. Let's just start looking at it. Not super long, but very quick. 5 minutes. After the spring, the next volume in our face is here. It's all tested. The next untested volume is here. That's the biggest volume of this movement. Nicely goes into 0.5. Yeah, let's just start watching it on monthly. Toronto Dominion Bank. Ooh, that was a beautiful 0.5. It's kind of like it didn't reach. It's in a good level. It's in a good level. With this volume here, ooh, Yeah, and it's in point five. It's kind of like it's close, but not quite like Comcast, right? And I was watching it, right? I was watching it. Of course, I was. This unvolumed. There is volume here. Not the biggest volume of the correction. Yeah, this was a nice sweet buy. You know what I mean? It's even better when it corrects. And there was a vol. I mean, there was everything here in February. In February, what happens here? Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, it definitely consolidates. You know, I was like, come on, Misha, like a kid can tell that. Duh. Russian Oracle. This is all tested. It's like literally there is nothing in our like this is untested. So let's put it here for our consideration. It's not a bad place to take it long, quick. You know what I mean? I don't mean like gazillion hours. I mean like just a quickie on um like swing on hourly, 5 minutes ish. Yeah, it's good. Let's just put it on a daily watch. Comes here, it's a buy. Yeah, just like this. You can even like yeah. After I did this, you can extend it like this. This volume is all behind us right now. TFC, Truist Financial Corporation. I think after this, and once again, like let's see the volume profile. Here's the volume profile. Don't worry about this volume; it's all down there. It's gone. Is it? Does it? Misha. It is gone. So, for you volume profile lovers over there, you see, the volume is gone. And the thrill is gone. Our debut was a masterpiece. Our lines we read so perfectly. But the show, it can go on. I'm like making up the lyrics as I sing. I was always known to do that, but I hope it's the right words. Yeah, that was the biggest. No, this was the biggest. So yeah, this was like the test level, which totally worked. And now it's a. No, why? Um, you know, these hotkeys that you like press on accident. Like, please get me back. So yeah, and there were some entry points here that I missed just because it wasn't on my radar. Just because it wasn't on my radar. Oh, my neighbors are partying again. Can you see the music? Can you hear the music? We have a party. Not me though. I never party. I work. So wait, it came here. Technically, retest. Boom. That was an entry point. Yeah, there's like 2R on um, daily, and I'm sure there was something on hourly. Hey, wait, where's my? Oh, I didn't put the daily levels, but yeah, I mean, I'm sure there was something like PM. maybe even multiple times, who knows? But for now, it is what it is. And we are starting to see it bullish. This diapason just doesn't make any sense. Target, woo! Target says bye-bye to 0.5. It's definitely a level. Is this spread? Unless there's something there on daily. I'm not gonna go because, oops. Yeah, this is still a bigger level here. Oh, so never mind. Technically, there is a level here, but it just doesn't make any sense. Because if it comes so low, we'll put it there not to forget that this is not a main level. I mean, if you... And I also think it's like unrealistic because, I mean, you should just like see it like this. Yeah. Because, I mean, if you want to wait it to come back there, you'll be like those people who wait Bitcoin to come back to 10 grand. They're still waiting. They're still out there with the money already on the sidelines to get rich. Oh, here's our Toyota. I was looking at, but never took a trade. Don't remember why. That's the biggest level. It was like it was somewhat jerky, I think, on day. I don't remember. I don't remember what was the deal on Toyota, but now it's I'm going to the moon deal. Volume distribution is good. It's on the jump over creek level, which is good. Here's our 0.5. Everything looks good. Comes here, corrects here. I'll buy it. Or as the 45th president of the United States of America would say it, I'd grab it. Am I fixated on the 45th president of the United States of America? I don't think I am. But if you feel like I do, please let me know. We'll talk about it. Yeah, this is weird. Knop thrust, plus again, just doing its thing. Ooh. Taiwan semiconductors. You remember those ETFs? Ay. This is also a political stock, unfortunately. They are in a troubled. I don't want to speculate on. Oh, and they're all-time highs too. Don't want to speculate on politics, but like all the resource stocks like petroleum, gasoline, natural gas, Taiwan semiconductors are political stocks for the reasons that probably you know better than me. Looks like exhaustion comes here up thrust and bye-bye. Maybe never comes there. Can still watch it. Like, I mean, but can be that. I'll put it on monthly watch just because I have to. However, like, or at least, I mean, this is for sure like an area that you don't want to go at all. Maybe I should start like trading with real stop losses slowly on the American market. We'll see. But I mean, just picking up a stock from here just to get on the wrong side of the market and see it correct at least like here. Yeah, this is not fun. Closed above. That was also unrealistic. Well, we can continue insist on previous levels. However, these trading ranges are very... They work though, they work. You see, like there was the sellers sitting up here waiting for total energies to come there. However, I mean, realistically, to do anything on this stock, we need to start. And is it like really still bearish? It is really still bearish. It broke down. Did it go to its 0.5 all-time point? Yeah, it did. Like, yeah, so Realistically speaking, though, we'll keep it thin, and I have this problem of moderating. Like, I need to play by a book. Once I know the rules, it's very hard for me to deviate from them. Like, I want everything to match uh, the rules. But yeah, realistically, it's somewhere here now. Volume, volume, volume. It's somewhere within this vicinity of things. I don't even know if it makes sense. Sometimes when you speak foreign language, you need to use the words like intuitively because you like know them, you used them before, but you're just not sure it's like applicable to this situation, and you're like, did I just like sound ridiculous or was it all right? This volume is alarming, not this one, but I'll show you exactly which one. This volume is not Booyana. You don't want to see like a bigger volume correction. However, there is this historical level, so it makes sense. And it's not historical; it's within the model that was here. Yeah, we could have, just to make things fair, ever since it broke above zero point 0.5 and the um, mm, yeah. So ever since, so it tested successfully, upthrusted the test. However, on test it already reached the break under ice level. Was good till here, and then like ever since here we could have seen it bullish. But yeah, anyhow, let's see on daily. This is a beautiful volume. Just didn't go a little bit, yeah, a little bit to where we wanted to go. Yeah, this was a beautiful volume. You could have, I mean, yeah, you could have bought without no, without any level. There was a level though. Yeah, could have bought it for 2R. That was a 2R deal. Oh, everything is so sweet in the hindsight, right? Texas Instrument Incorporated. I don't know why, but I'm not a fan of mm, things named instruments. Sounds like an old thing to me. Like instrument is a real deal, but like I mean, who calls their company instrument nowadays? Are they like super old? Uh, was the first founding fathers of United States of America making money on their stock? Um, while the Great French Revolution was in the air. Are they that type of like stock? Doesn't matter. I mean, it's like normally they just lack liquidity and like market participants' interest because people want to trade Tesla, they want to trade like Nvidia, they want to trade cool things. But it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think we should start seeing it like this. This volume though is alarming. Um, Got to be careful about this volume. 15th of March. Never mind. I just want to call New York Stock Exchange. It's NASDAQ even. It's all across the board. What's going on? Maybe like, oh, you know what? I think now I know. So those hedge funds that are, gosh, that are partnerships. No, but they're just reporting on March 15th. They wouldn't. No, that doesn't make sense. Unless their calendar year, the fiscal year is March 15th, so that they need to move. Is it true that, like, that's my theory now? I need to Google if a lot of hedge funds have um, a fiscal year ending March 15th. Would it make sense? It would make sense. Then they would like close and open positions to like kind of, but then maybe the next day we would also see the, I don't know. No, I'm speaking nonsensical. Yeah, anywho, there was volume here and it's kind of like up there. So yeah, this is alarming a little bit. So now it's in this volume level right now. There was another volume here, and then this and this. Yeah, there's a lot of volume here. So really it's like, and this guy has that too. We're now above it. But yeah, that's something to be aware of. Anyway, union labor. Okay, so this volume comes in and then breaks above. And I think we should start seeing it as in, it was 0.5. It kind of respected 0.5 here. It was breaking. Yeah, no, I would still in this volume now. Yeah, the bigger volume comes in correction. There is like bigger volume in correction than here. So I think it's a little bit like extended, you say? Never mind. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a prophet. I'm just seeing an overweight of probabilities in a quick market episode, and I trade them. That's all I do. I'm a simple man. All this volume is here. I don't know. I really don't. Um, yeah, this tail looks like it is respecting, but there is no volume. It looks like it respected like 0.5 a little bit. Yeah, like right here. Yeah, so it's this volume, like exhaustion volume, and then up thrust. That wouldn't be a bad trade. On it's kind of after the volume level, and yet, no, I think that would be a good trade for like quick 2R. Nothing fancy, like test, retest, or even without test. No, this volume is no good. Yeah, I think this test, like from here to ours, that wasn't bad. And now let's see what it wants to do. We can start looking at it long, but the first volume level is here really. It's weird that this tail didn't give us like much volume. This is like weird. I can tell you right away. Yeah. United Health. Yeah, will be good to buy from here. It's a little bit extended. I'm not gonna lie to you. If seen from previous one, or if seen from, yeah. So like we'll put it here so that I don't hallucinate on it. It's a health company, and considering how much junk food we eat, I think they'll be doing good. So what happened here? Union Pacific. This probably is an old company, right? Is it like, I don't know. I don't want to sound ridiculous. I'm not gonna say nothing. So it closed 393 and the high was 2. So yeah, it closed above. So it broke and now the high was 80 and close was 593. So it did close below. So it's up thrusted. So this is a legit level right now. All right. Okay. It comes here, it can be buy. It's actually, is it 7? Oh, 7:30, gosh. I need to meditate to calm myself down. Did I ever tell you how much I meditate? If you'll know how much I meditate daily, uh, you'll think I'm crazy. Or you'll know I'm crazy. Sitting here hallucinating on the charts. That was actually a test. Was it in 0.5? Like it was like No, it was 4.5. Yeah, I'm not. I was looking at different things. I was looking. Yeah, there's nothing. There is nothing critical here. There's nothing like alarming here, volume wise. So yeah, comes here can be buy. Let's put it in the monthly watch. Um, UPS. There's volume coming in. You can call it correction after it does something like this. You know what I mean? Only correction. You want to see strengths and then weakness. I mean, I cannot call this weakness. Hold on, someone is calling me. Where's my phone? Just give me a sec. Hello? Oh, this is spam. A payment was sent for $423 to Russell Mays. We think it's a fraudulent transfer. We noticed that it wasn't due. Please press 1. Let's talk to the spammers, guys. Please enter the 6-digit code we provided you by text. Gosh, you see? And they're like, haha. Yeah. Oh, that's a Venmo scam. So look, like that's what they do. They request a sign in for Venmo, and then it sends like a text message code. Then they call you, so they try to sign into Venmo. It requires a one-time code. Then they call you and send that there's a fraudulent transaction. So like in order to verify or cancel, you need to enter. I should put them into that call. So yeah, and they want you to. So once you press 1, they want you to let them know they request a 6-digit code from Venmo. And once, did I block off the? Hold on, I think I blocked off the wrong number. Hold on, let me focus. Oh, they're calling now from different numbers. Oh, this is an automated alert from Venmo. A payment was sent for 420. Yeah, so they're just fishing for like one-time code. How do I block you? Like you're annoying, guys. Just block this call. Stop calling me. Now once I picked up once, they continue calling. Block, decline and block. Okay. Yeah. So the long story short, they initiate a sign in from a different device and they request, and like once like you press 1, they call you, and once you press 1, oops, did my oh no, sorry. So yeah, be aware. Be aware. My point is, so they call you, then they ask you to type in the code that they initiate from Venmo, and if you'll do, of course, obviously, they'll get access to a Venmo account from their new device. And they've been doing that on me, like I don't know, for multiple months now, like these scam calls. So never ever let anyone know the temporary codes that Venmo or any financial organization sends you. Okay, I wanted to watch what's going on here. I wanted to check out what's going on here, what this volume is about. This volume is kind of good. It's all like, and it's not even gaps. This is a gap. This was a gap. What was that gap with retest, which did retest, and then it gapped again, reached the monthly level. So yeah, United UPC UPS. Why do I say UPC? UPS, yeah, of course. UPC UPS. Yeah, this guy has been murdered. Absolutely, someone doesn't like Amazon and their delivery. So they came back here. They up thrusted. Weird volume 15th March. Never mind. Not much. You're waiting for the test, but test never comes. Yeah, I'd say they're good to I'd say they're good to short, not till at least they'll break out of this guy. I'm not gonna play them short, not within my rules, my personal statistics. I'll have to start it doing somewhere, especially that we know that correction is not far away. We don't know actually when it starts, but I mean it will start somewhere. So yeah, ever since this upthrust, the contextual direction is short, and this volume on day, we can see it's all short volumes. We're right in this volume again. Oof, that's gonna be hot tomorrow. This is this is gonna be hot tomorrow. This is gonna be hot. Yeah, all this daily volume pretty much came in 1 hour. I mean, we're kind of like over this volume now, and volume distribution is not great. I would want to see it like somewhere here. Hmm. Regardless, this volume is still here. Maybe let's not look at it. Let's see on hourly. Yeah, hard to tell because this volume is not bad too, but this is even bigger, but not exhaustion. But we're above it. It's hard to tell. I want to. I want to watch what UPS will do because for now it's kind of within the short model. It did a point 0.5 though, so once it comes here, I think it's a good buy. Not goodbye, but goodbye. Gosh, good buy. It's good to buy. It's not goodbye. um, yeah. What else can I say? Point 0.5 is here for us. Let's give a look on UPS, just for fun. I'm not gonna take it short. It's not within my rules yet. My personal statistic, it's significantly improved since I started trading long only with virtual stops. However, well, technically it was. Never mind. Yeah, it's hard to put any hour levels because it's just like, I mean, any levels other than it kind of didn't hold the volume level. However, there's also volume here, so it's hard to tell on hourly. Just put it on a watch. I'm just curious to like to keep an eye on at least one short tail. Interesting. What happened here? What is this? Sprout uranium miners. Uranium miners? Don't they buy all the uranium from Russia? Uh, Sorry. Every time I mention my country, it's like, oh, it's gonna get my motherland. I'm American. I'm in the United States now, but can you mention of Russia is so polarized nowadays. I'm just afraid to get political. But I think they buy like all, if not most, of the uranium mm, in Russia. That's just how it works. Oh, that was a beautiful. Yeah, and it gives it tests. It's kind of like it went far below. You would buy it without tests from here. Just saying, yeah. Mm, it's counter trend. Volume. Oh, I wanted to see like volume distribution here. What happened here? There was some huge volume around here. It's not huge. It's not bigger than this. It was all tested and it was like on a bearish bar anyway. Mm, damn. I want to say I would take it, but I'm not sure. Anywho, now it doesn't matter. Contextual direction is short, incoming directionality is long, so it's a contradiction that we do not play. Here it's still valid. Even this level would be valid. Is it US Bank? Come on, US Bank. Like, have you seen Morgan Stanley? Have you seen like the other banks? You sure you're all right? Yeah, I don't want to even chart it with thin lines long because it's not looking good. US Bank, bro, you're not looking good. I'll be honest with you. Even though this is really like this, yeah. Let's leave it alone for now. I don't know how to deal with it yet. Well, fun. Doom. Correction. Not the correction of my charting, but correction of the wave. It's official. Correction started. Volume is not critical anywhere. Yeah, here would be nice. Visa. Yeah, Visa. Like, can't you show US Bank how it's been done on the stock market? It's like US Bank doesn't know. Real estate from 0.5 is this volume. This is a good volume too. Yeah, it's right here now. Okay. The run continues on Vanguard S&P 500, right? So it's just, I don't even know why I have this, but sometimes it's weird. Sometimes it can show you an entry point. I know it from cryptocurrency. Sometimes it just shows like an entry point on the uh, Bitcoin USDT, but wouldn't show the same point, entry point on perpetual futures. Biggest volume is here. Yeah, this looks good. Vanguard high dividend yield. So do they just okay? So they take the stocks that pay high dividend. Like, wait, do they pay dividends themselves? They do. How much are the dividends? 0.6. Well, that doesn't look like a high yield dividend. 0.6 for $100 stock. um, I don't want to do the math, but I mean, definitely doesn't sound like a high yield to me. Is it quarterly? So like in a year, it's what, like $2.5, 2%. So they're over 2%, so 2% and over probably. Don't quote me for that because I might be wrong on that one. I may be wrong on anything really, but yeah. Once it corrects here, I'd be glad to buy it. Consider buying it. That's Casey. That's Casey in action. Let's move left because maybe we'll revise it. I keep it on the chart because I know that Casey have a habit of asking for it again sometime. I would realistically move it here. Oops, my battery. Hold on. Let me plug in my battery. Boom. All right. Forget about this. It's irrelevant. Oh, ow, ow. Hold on. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Oops. That was long. Is it here? No, it's here. Yeah, it's a little bit stretched. I'm not jealous about Casey's trade at all. Like here. And it's also nonsensical. I should have been really watching it like this, so I'll put a thin layer here just to remember that it's not the main So there is no contradiction with my main charting. But yeah, that would be not a bad level to buy if it comes to it. Anywhere here, a bit stretched, but yeah. For a quick trade, of course. Okay, this is broken now. It's official. Should be like watching it like this. WAC. What is this with W stocks that build campaigns? Do you like smart money? Just choose by the alphabet. 1212 because WDC I think is the other one that we witnessing the accumulation consolidation. I'm sorry, campaign right now. I'm not qualified to say if it's. I think it's accumulation. Hmm. Um, Let me just do right away something for my stage managing position. I just receive a communication from our director. And we are starting Tech Week Monday. So I'll be working Monday through Sunday, nonstop. It's gonna be hell of a week. The show. Gosh, text messaging is just annoying. And happy Easter, of course. Let's put it in the beginning. And I call them oranges. I call us orange. Gosh. Ah. My Mac just does this all the time. It just goes to sleep whenever I don't move it for like 5 minutes or so. And then, of course, sure enough, it interrupts the stream. Happy Easter oranges. Please bring some oranges. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Easter oranges. Please bring some oranges. Make up our pieces of costumes you suppose for the show. Okay. Cast check. Okay, back. Back to our ships. They say, I don't know why in Russia, sheeps, not the ships, but sheeps, male ships in specific. Обратно к нашим баранам. Just like I don't. Is there a word? Let me see. Is there a word in English for like a male sheep specifically? We have like a very specific word, which is also yeah, ram. Yeah, back to our rams. That's how it's called. Mute on bighorn. Bighorn. No, it's just yeah, ram. Back to our rams. That's the saying. That's the proverb, meaning let's return to our business. Yeah, that would be goodbye. Not yet. Yeah, that was useless too. Like, especially with this. Well, no, this was what happened here. This was useless to see it like this. We should have been watching it as independent approach. It held all the volume, and here was the beautiful entry point, but I didn't do it. So yeah, you just need to cut it off. You shouldn't be stubborn like a ram, like me. I'm Taurus. I'm very close to ram. I'm very, very stubborn. And that's what prevents me from like cutting off the levels. Like starting from here, you should have just cut it off and see it as independent approach. And here was the beautiful entry point in the March of last year. Um, so why be stubborn? We should do it right now, right? Still respect at this level. But yeah, let's just chart one on the top of the other because I'm still kind of like in this transition. I wouldn't trade it anyways, but yeah, if seen from this point of view, it broke here above. Let's make it thin so there's no confusion. Just sometimes, yeah, like sometimes market like discontinuous after some panic sales, like some kind of like emotional events. It interrupts the group dynamics of the market, and it totally makes sense to just interrupt your charging and start charging it again, aka Wells Fargo and company. So after this, so it broke above like here, I'd say should start. But you see, it respected the level. Didn't give us the signal here, but it did respect the level. But here was a definite buy. But yeah, now it doesn't matter. Um, yeah, we need this level at least. We need it to come somewhere over here. Um, um, uh, yeah, interesting. Yeah, it upthrusted but didn't hold and went higher because it's counter trend resistance, so it's okay. Walmart. Walmart breaks out of this um, long balance. Finally, the balance that started in 4 years ago. Here you go. 4 years it only took for hodlers to break it even from here. Yeah. Yeah, I think realistically it's like this. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. Need a correction. Time deal. There's no point to be stubborn. Let's put it thin for now. And I kind of respected this level. How my acting coach would say, no, kind of. He wanted us to be specific, to be deliberate, to be confident. Actually, and I understand why. Like, it matters in acting. People want to see you confident. Yeah, it's something like this. Let's see what it will do. Let's see its next moves. Bibium materials broke out of this once again. Might have been probably an accident. That's interesting. That gives us some perspective. 837 close. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Or this might have been an accident. I didn't respect it at all. Maybe it's just like held it here. So my point is, let's just put the Mm-hmm. So you'll continue looking at it long. However, there may be a chance that this whole freaking shebang is just this like bigger balance. Doesn't matter. The historical high is in our face now. Don't really know how to see this guy. Maybe like this. Something like this. Material select. Material select. Yeah, this is also ridiculous. Of course. Mm, that didn't break because didn't confirm because like it's not how the waves are born. XLC communication services. Is it like telecommunication services like AT&T and Vodafone? It just went like it's called a V-turn. It came straight down and then straight up. No volume that indicated us. I think this was wrong even just to try to see it. This is a volume level probably because the volume level was here. And it even upthrusted it and then went higher. So yeah, doesn't matter no more. Doesn't matter. Because this is our biggest volume. Still a volume level, noted, but it's not that important. We'll put it here now, and we'll put a 0.5. Yeah, this is like extended for a volume level, but you can keep an eye. You can keep an eye on it on monthly. Energy sector. It's like it's looking short. I mean, it's in it's at let me correct myself. It's at resistance level of monthly, so that's where we look short on it. To short it, not to go long. So many times you don't financial. Many times you don't get a signal to open the position, but at least it's like half of the deal is to put yourself on the right side of the market, but the other half of the deal is not to put yourself on the wrong side of the market. Both are equally important. All-time highs, all-time highs. So that's where it all begins. It's like you want to enter in the direction of strength and against the direction of weakness. In the same manner, you want to enter in the direction of, you want to put yourself on the right side of the market, but also you don't want to put yourself on the wrong side of the market. And even though they like seem like very close statements, in the core of the trading technique, very different. It's two different things: ability to put yourself on the right side of the market and ability not to put yourself on the wrong side of the market. And both are equally, I don't even know which is like more important. um, Technically, if you'll never put yourself on the wrong side of the market, you'll never lose money. So you'll automatically will be gaining money. I mean, I'm just philosophizing the whole thing right now, but you know what I mean. Why did I put? Yeah, because it was a bounce, right? One, two, one, two. Yeah, there was a bounce. Why did I put this level here? Anyone knows? I put it, but I really shouldn't because technically it was 1, 2, and 1, 2, and now it's in a break. Now it's in a bullish break. Continuation of the trend. A little increased volume comes in, and like looks like shorting of thrust on technology. Oh, it's our tech, it's our semiconductors, aka semiconductors. Boom, boom. This beautiful volume tests, bigger volume comes on test. That's weird. Yeah, so that wouldn't allow us to enter just because of this volume. And you see, it didn't go. Interesting. So, first of all, let's remove this. Yes. Um, we wouldn't trade it short here, anyways, because there is no monthly level to look. But look, this volume comes in. It's like, wow, that's the biggest volume. And then the upthrust comes in, and you're like, whoa, this is a bigger volume too. But then when test begins, there's like bigger volume of the test, and the bar closes bullish, and it was like, oh, that's not a, so technically that's like test and resumption, but like you want to see like a lower, significantly lower volume on test, but there's like bigger volume, and you see it didn't go. So test really showed us like we shouldn't be entering here. We wouldn't be because like there is no context on monthly to enter short, but it's just a good example of how it works. Yeah, grinds harder. We can put a volume level here. Ooh, look who is here, Casey. Hey man, happy Easter. I was revising, like you really want to watch this and the previous one. Like it's the second time I'm happy Easter, man. Yes. Everyone is celebrating. Jay's somewhere celebrating, you're celebrating. I was like lonely here. But I'm revising monthly levels, and I did take a look at some of you. I bumped in some of you of your trades. They're so long though, videos, man. But yeah, I got some intel on few of your trades. You might want to watch them in the recording. This video and the one that's already been posted. It's the second time I'm streaming today. I'm revising all my levels here, and I'm almost done. Oh, you arrived in the right time, as always. So you can throw me your setups. I'll take a look at them. But yeah, while seeing what changed, because the March closed, right? Tomorrow's April 1st. So I was revising monthly levels on many stocks on all this list, all this like humongous list that I have here, and I did bump in some of your setups, and some of them are fine and good and even looking better because of how March closed, but some of them are like looking like exhaustion volume. So you really should be cautious. And of them, few looked like you did. I mean, if you followed your setup, you did take a trade there, so you might be in a trade. That has an exhaustion volume on monthly, unfortunately. And I saw like maybe like 3 5 of those. But yeah. Okay. Oh, you don't have any tonight. Okay. I thought you're machina. I thought you're working nonstop every day. Another day, another dollar. But now I know your weak spots. Easter is the thing for you. Oh, which is good. We need to take a break sometimes. Everybody, like how Timberlake sings it. Is everybody getting high sometimes, you know? Is it how he sings it? um, this point five and utilities. This point five is still respected with this level up thrust. It gave like some level on this up thrust. And now it's retesting like way above point five. It still holds. That's a good buy though. Yeah, so that looks like preliminary stuff, exhaustion, automatic rally. Uh, yeah, you see this worked. Why so big though? I don't remember the setup, but it definitely worked out eventually. Um, Regardless, I was gonna tell that this is a beautiful exhaustion volume. Yeah, yeah, that was coming from Marley. If it comes here, so yeah, if you have time and patience, because I don't know, I don't have like timelines for you, but like during, I think I've been streaming this one for like a couple hours already, and the previous one I think is no less than 2 hours as well. And during those, um, I was seeing your setups, and once again, some of them didn't change. because of the month's close, some of them became better, and some of them became worse, and some of them became significantly worse. So um, it's all yours, available in recording, um, both here on TradingView and YouTube. You know the drill. Anywho, I can tell nothing except for if it comes back here, I'd buy. There was a good buy here. I don't know why I did it so long, like 7. Like it would be like simple 2 hours. But yeah, for now it's useless until it goes back here. That's a beautiful point 0.5. Okay. Healthcare is now officially in a break. So we'll move. And volume distribution is good. Uh, how's Easter, man? Anything special? Just like a family time? Or anything crazy? Did you dress up like a bunny and freaked out your nephew and nieces? um, yeah. We had like rain for 2 days. That was annoying. Family, yeah, I know. That's why I'm free to work because I don't have any family here. But yeah, we had like people vibing in the park for the entire 2 days. Yeah, I get this like vibe, holiday vibe. I'm not big on holidays though, so that would be good to buy, but it needs to go there. Okay, discretionary, consumer discretionary is just struggling. Can't really tell if this was an accident or not. Yeah. Oh, it closed. Never mind. It did close above, so now it's an official break. Now it's an official break, so forget the bye bye the bearish, the downtrend. Consumer discretion is an official, already in the correction. You see, it's almost like yeah, it doesn't have no juice. Like people don't want a consumer discretionary right now on the market. They're like, nah, thank you, we're good. And like, what's the biggest volume? Yeah, and there's I don't think no better. Yeah, if it comes here, it's a buy. So let's put it on monthly watch. Um, what happened here? Yeah, this is a mess. Metals and mining. Mm, oil and gas. Oil and gas is so political. It's like Taiwan semiconductors. Like, just gotta be careful with those. Or uranium that we just took a look at. Um, you gotta be like super cautious about political stocks because they tend to move harder under influence of. It's all like, again, it's all like normally reasoned into the market. However, they're more exposed to the uh, infrastructural changes in their respective markets. Uh, once again, I don't want to get political, but we know that Taiwan semiconductors is under permanent threat of, kind of Taiwan independency being a threat. So, um, all I'm saying, I guess, that playing with virtual stops on Taiwan semiconductors would be like super, super hard decision for me. Mm, it doesn't change. It doesn't happen every day, but once it happened, and I got stuck in there forever with virtual stop, it's not going to be fun. Um, and then the whole company is just going to get nationalized. It's not fun. Yeah, that would be good buy at 0.5. Here's our Casey. Is it Casey or is it J? DHI. Let's take a look. DHI. Let's take a look. Yeah, that would be good buy here. Yeah, bro, look at you. That's a synchronicity right there, Casey. I just finished, like, literally, you sent me the setup, and I was, damn, I want to finish this list. And that was literally the last stock I had of, I don't know how many hundred of stocks, like a couple hundreds at least I have here. And I want to rearrange the numbers, but just in a way so that it's sort the same way. DHI, okay, surprise me. Dr. Hort, oh, wow. I was hallucinating here. These drawings, guys, come from the time when I was, I don't know, doing whatever. It's a good stock. It pays dividends. Um, let's see financials right away. It's a little bit concerning. 12% closely held, which is all right. 54 billions, it's all right. Mm, uh, Gosh, can you imagine when, like, I improve my statistics, I'll be able to trade stocks that don't pay dividends, and like how many are there? Like with the real stops, I don't care about dividends if I like trade with real stops because mm, I'm not gonna get stuck if I'm wrong. I'm just gonna be stopped out, and that's it. I'll lose my like 3%. I lose my R and walk away. Um, no, I don't like it, bro. Because it's at resistance level. It's definitely in a long impulse on monthly, and there is like historically there is nothing in our phase, but there is this guy called resistance level, and it interacts with the resistance level as we not as we speak. The market is closed right now, but right now, so I'll need the reaction bar the entire next month to see what's going on there. Um, 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 this level is alarming. Is it the biggest? Yeah, that's it's kind of. The problem is that part, but my acting coach always like would call out, like wouldn't allow us to say kind of, just like to be more confident and uh, defined about what we say on stage. But our graduation, I kind of went back to it. I use kind of and likes and those fillers I want to get rid of. Mm, it's because English is still my foreign language, and I get stuck. And I was like, kind of like I don't feel that these words contribute to the clarity of my speech. Just habitual. I don't like this volume. It definitely, yeah, like it definitely in the resistance levels you would expect it to do some move. This is a transitory extremum. I would have waited at least till tomorrow because right now it manipulates the transitory extremum level, and that's where, so technically, it's within my system to just go and trade it on hourly short from here, expecting some bounce. Volume distribution, though, is, yeah, that was initiative takeover. So there was this volume level, and then this volume came in and jumped above this volume level, bounced off this volume level like a ping pong. So resistance became a support. Volume distribution on daily looks good. I would at least wait it for reaction bar tomorrow here, but your setup is 165, 76. Stop at 154, 6. This is not daily, it's a monthly play. Yeah, it's definitely off monthly, so there is nothing that daily can help you. It can help you. Inferior time frame can help you. Like here, like, yeah, volume distribution um looks bullish, looks long. I needed a reaction bar. Let's see on hourly. Like, I mean, obviously it didn't show nothing, but yeah. Till tomorrow closes above, I would play it short. If it comes here up thrust, I would I would be able to play it short within my rules. Um, but yeah, yeah. Once again, that's all I can tell you. Like with this setup, it's a monthly setup, and yeah, it's in a long impulse, but it is at resistance level um of the monthly. Also, like, look, it's not the biggest volume of this entire, so there is like uh volume to support your vision. However, it's one of the biggest. It's a significant volume here. um there is volume here untested. uh there is volume here, but that was like mainly like correction. What happened? Oh, there was a trade here, but doesn't belong to, gosh, no, we don't need a monthly at least. Yeah, yeah. And this volume, yeah, like this volume is here, this volume is tested. So yeah, anyhow, that's all I have. Long impulse at resistance level, like right there, it's a counter trend resistance level, meaning that it's supposed to be broken rather than respected. However, um, in these areas, we expect some kind of correction. So not necessarily turn, a reversal, but I mean, some correction. So I would be looking at it like short here, not long. But yeah, that's all I have on DHI. DTM. Okay, let's take a look. To just go by alphabet, midstream. Midstream all-time highs is what I don't like here. It's right here. Well, let's see how it went. Boom, 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 boom. It's a balance. Yeah, we don't even need this. It's a balance here. I like that it's paying dividends. Um, it broke above here. Um, yeah, it's good for paying dividends at least, so we can add it. Let's see financials real quick. Yeah, free float is good. Yeah, 6 billion. You can trade it. Uh, and I think I might have found, Casey, like the reason why March 15 is so big in volume. I need to like validate my theory. Um, yeah, it's in a balance. Like I don't like it here because it's its resistance. There is no volume. I'm not sure it's going to respect. Yeah, it's in a long balance, and in a long balance. So like right now, I don't even need a manipulation signal. Um, so the contextual direction, incoming directionality of this balance is long, but contextual direction of this model is now short. So I can claim that more likely than not, I expect it to go down. It's still counter trend, regardless the fact that it's balanced. Approach is also like on daily approach is kind of weird. It's strong, but like last day of the month and the week is not indicative. It was like last day of the month, last day of the week. So I wouldn't trust this volume much. But yeah, uh, I don't think it's gonna close in an up. Anything might happen. And this is not much volume. This is volume a little bit. The biggest volume. The volume distribution is kind of like is good. I mean, it's like more long than short, I'd say. This volume is all tested, so the only untested volume we have is starting from here. That was like dying, 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 and then corrected, and then this volume is untested. I mean, slightly tested, doesn't count. Yeah, there is volume to support the uptrend. However, this is not tradable for me just because of the sole reason it's in the resistance level of the balance, long balance. Regardless, it's long, it's a balance. So I would rather expect price to bounce of the resistance level, and contextual direction is then to the support level. Um, okay, and the stop is 57.77. It is daily. This is a daily setup. Once again, I would have waited at no. So like it interacts with the monthly. So if it doesn't upthrust and closes above this resistance on daily, then it will become a transitory extremum. By anyhow, yeah, um, I'm not a fan of this trade of this setup just because it's a balance now. The forces are equal. There is like sellers here that were able to move it like twice down there. There is buyers here, and yeah, I would have traded it all the way up here. Uh, Here was there an entry here? Yeah, there wasn't. Anyhow, that's about what I have. The directionality is still long, but the phase is not impulse; it's balance, and it's completely different animal now. There is no volume that would suggest that anything dramatic happens that would change these dynamics. That's like a good break, but like it's a good break of daily, but it's not how the price approaches the level it wants to break. But daily doesn't break monthly, so this is all right. It's weird that it like already interacted with monthly. I would watch at least for tomorrow to see what it does here. If it closes above, makes this transitory extreme. But again, no, yeah, I don't think it's a good level. Um, the directionality is right though; it's long. Do you have anything else I want to like check out for the night? Because I mean, I've been streaming for way too long today. Um, what we have for tomorrow, if anything, and it's actually broke above here. So now this, like, I'm not, yeah, volume is not crazy though. Go to sleep. Yeah, I will. It's not that late yet, but yeah, I'll definitely. And like my next week, man, my next week is crazy. I'll be working Monday through Sunday in the theater with actors, and I'm not on stage, stage manager. So yeah, this guys is like a little bit alarming now. So I'll be watching it tomorrow. Maybe I should really move. Should I? Should I move my stop loss to? Oh, never mind. It's the last again. It was like the last, right? It was March. It was the last day of the March. It's a good break, and it's like tested. Rather do the opposite because most of this volume, there's an equal volume here. Yeah, we'll see. I'd rather say buy more. And I'm serious. Either I was streaming for too long, but like I'd say this is not a bad place to buy. You know what I mean? Hmm. Oh yeah. Show me what you've got. Oh my gosh, Skeet for what? Some indie or what? I'm playing. Gosh, I'm playing Thomas Edison soon, like somewhere in the mid-April. I haven't seen the script even yet. Um, just gave my size card for the costume. I don't know what's the drill. It looks like some thesis project for a student film. But yeah, we'll see. Congrats, man! Congrats. When did you book it? Uh, but yeah, I feel like strongly I can buy. Like I'll put a watch here because like it's a good buy actually. I would buy more from here. Oops, not the alarm, but I can use this alarm. And if it breaks below, maybe it's a good time to. No, I think it's like this volume can be disregarded. I think. Uh, Damn, it's. I don't think. I think it's a good place. Well, I shouldn't be stocking up though because this is a bar level, and this volume came in, and this volume, yeah, all the volume is bigger. This is a spring though. Um, yeah, send me the links. What's it like for a quick trade? Yeah, I'll be out of this trade. Like if I enter something quick here, I'll be out of it just even before I'll hit my. Yeah, so it's a good. It's good. Coin I'm just watching. I'm not doing anything. This guy I can like buy and sell because it's paying dividends, even though it's for my old uh, life. I can buy. I can buy here. Um, and I'll be watching. Okay. Yeah, I'll watch it, and I'll next time I see, I'll tell you something about it. I'll tell you how I feel about it. I'm sure you did good. Uh, I can feel people's comedic timing, even of like chatting with them, even the way they speak, even the way they like chat on the internet. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure it's a. Is it a skit, right? So it's a comedic bit, I believe. Um, I'm sure you did well. But I'll give you my honest feedback once I see it. Yeah, it can be buy. Yeah, this can be buy. Yeah, I would buy if it comes to it. This guy, what I'm looking at. Oh, we are looking at this volume. We are looking at this volume. I think it will go without us. Yeah, it's definitely buy from here. And this guy, why am I looking at it? Because it's just at a good level on monthly. Yeah, for like quick 5 minutes from here. Nothing big, got it a few days before I had to do it. Oh, is it like a self-record, something you record something yourself, or is it something that you went on uh, to record in the on set? First acting, congratulations! Your acting cherry just popped. The acting bug beat you. Congratulations, dude. I mean, everything happens for the first time sometime, one day, and I'm glad it happened to you. Acting is great. It's such a journey of my life. I'm telling you, um, and it's such a perfect like balance for my like investment and trading. What did I want to do on this stock though? I like the level on daily, but like hourly, still, that was the trade on minutes. What else would I want from this stock? It went up here, and then it kind of like never changed directionality. So that would be another. Was it another buy? Yeah. So this was another buy. I mean, I don't know what I want from this stock because it looks like this stock gave like everything it could and even more uh, to everyone was there in the right time. Yeah, and did it in like 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, first acting gigs are weird. They're like they happen super fast and you're like uh, it's a different flavor once you get and you'll book, I'm sure. Like once like you book like a big gig. Technically it was yeah, it was like this. And we'll work somewhere on the project. First time I worked on a project for 2 weeks, it was like a life-changing experience. That's why I strongly recommend theater. Like theater maybe is not paying that great, but that's an immersion into the character. Yeah, guys, that was another. This stock was just like printing money, um, and that's also normally not a bad sign that you should like stay away because it's sort of like like it give 2R another 2R. I mean, what else do you want this like stock to do, Misha? Just like start printing you money like nonstop, and it's This volume is not like it's, yeah, it's a spring. And tested, resumed. So technically this was a buy from here, and it's still doable if it does it tomorrow. But you see how like five, no, it's not, because like on daily it's in the middle of nowhere, right? Right. Yeah, no, 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 no. I cannot take this. Yeah, only I can watch it on 5 minutes. But well, what else should I watch? Yeah. So it's a watch um, for 5 minutes tomorrow. This is our dailies. Uh, uh, okay. Yeah, I want to watch a skit like while streaming, but I'm not sure. Like I'm not so familiar with the rules of the trading view. It feels like it's gonna be a little bit off topic. I would, if you didn't mind, I would rather like watch it. We do a public screening. It's definitely within the rules of YouTube, but trading view is kind of like more professional community, so I don't want to violate. And dude, they're shutting down the streaming on April 7th. I liked it so much. It sucks so bad. But I also understand them. Like this video hosting is sucking in like a lot of money. And if they're not breaking it even as the service, it just doesn't make any sense to keep it. Um yeah, this is our daily Johnson and Johnson. Yeah, that sucks so bad. I really like, it's kind of like I was really planning to set up my OBS like for a long time, OBS Studio, um, so that I can restream not only to YouTube but also like now I'm restreaming YouTube and Twitch, and I'm streaming on TradingView, but I'll be able like Discord do the stream, so like I'll be able to connect all the other services, and kind of like enlarge my exposure. I really, really like TradingView, and like it's not only I won't be able to stream through them; they gonna have no streams no more. That sucks. Um, and my following grew here, by the way, too. I think like I grew up another 100 followers just by streaming for this like past month or like couple months. I've been streaming since February, I think. Okay, NVS is like what? Yeah, I need to watch carefully because it's like it's a good level on monthly. It's a bar level though, so like so now it's kind of like in the middle of nowhere on hourly. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. Ooh, semiconductor. Oh, I put it, but just like yeah, semiconductors are not doing great. Um, but we'll keep on. And UPS just for fun. I want to keep one trade to see it short. I'm not gonna set it up short, but like keep an eye. Okay, Casey, I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna go. Bro, see you tomorrow. I'm trading tomorrow, so see you tomorrow. Um, during trading time. Stay in the profit. Happy Easter, everyone, and yeah, see you soon.